if you're anything like me and you like looking at new stuff, I just thought I'd show you everything that I've got so far. I'm going to do a bit more shopping in a minute, but we have got so far floor mats, stainless steel bolt fixing kits, trim clips, more trim clips, more trim clips, more trim clips, trim clips, more trim clips, stainless braided hoses, coil packs, spark plugs, battery terminals, brake pads, wheel bearings. We've got all those, I won't put them all there. Timing belt kit, spark plug leads, caliper rebuild kits, more trim clips, more stainless bolts, more stainless clips and bolts, more stainless clips and bolts, door lock barrel. I'm actually not going to use that, I'm just going to take the springs and shims out of it and rebuild the ones that are on the car. Oops, oil filter. I've got two of those, they're new interior door handles because one of the ones on the car's got a crack. And on top of that, so I've got indicator, one of them's got a crack. I've only just noticed the other one's got a crack as well, so I need to order that. Support arms, second hand, but a lot better condition than the ones we've got. So we'll still be blasting these down, cleaning them up, and either repowder coating or repainting those. So there's all this lot. And then on top of this, I still need to get suspension mounts, engine mounts, and I'm sure there'll be other things along the way. But this is what we've got so far. One thing we need, because we're going to be splitting the engine, is we need a head gasket kit. But I want to split the engine, skim it, check tolerances first, so we know what kind of kit to put on, and we'll talk a bit more about that when it comes to putting that on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All this lot will be going on the car very soon. We've done a lot more repairs, so I'll be showing more videos of that. The engine is out, the engine is split. All these videos are going to be edited and up very shortly. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you all soon.